Beautiful. Stressful things have been like, I have to eat this because So it has been a little while since I have vlogged, which is definitely my bad. It's been probably almost 2 weeks. It hasn't been exactly 2 weeks yet, but lots has happened. Lots of stressful things have been happening in my life, and I'm just trying to navigate all of that. For starters, oh, my camera's gonna die. I'm gonna try and explain this very quickly. I'm going car shopping today. I will try and get some stuff on my phone of the vlog and whatnot. Last week I nannied the entire week with my new job. Started my powerlifting program. Y'all are gonna see that today as well, but I'm gonna get some work done and then we're gonna head to my appointments for checking out some Honda Civics and for a lot of Toyota Camrys. That is the deal. Drinking my coffee, gonna get work done. Yeah. Okay, it has been a long time no see. I've been at the dealership literally since 9 a.m. It is currently 5. I have had one thing to eat besides my breakfast all freaking day. I am so hungry, but good news, I bought a freaking vehicle. Whoop-de-doo. That is so fun and also not fun at the, oh my gosh. So fun, but not fun at the same time because I am paying a lot for it per month. Then stress constantly over if I'm gonna be making it to my location or not. And now since I'm a nanny, I'm concerned about those girls' safety more than my own. We are using endo pump field bar. That is what we're fueling on for a big squat day. Is that the best way? No. Would I recommend it? No, but I need to get to HQ because Liz works there now. I'm authorized to lift there as long as there's an employee. There she is. Isn't she so cute? We got a 2021 hybrid. So I'm excited. Oh, good to go. I'm not even bringing a water bottle. I just have my blender bottle. Whatever, I don't care. Here we go. The road, or the gym. Y'all will see me in my workout in a little bit. Workout in 40 minutes. You done? I'm done. Liz works here now. I said that earlier, but just as a reminder. Holy crap. Damn. Okay. Here's the new car. I didn't necessarily want to buy it. I will say that. I'm very grateful that I can afford this right now. Oh my gosh, I had my freaking sunglasses on my fanny pack the entire time. That's hilarious. Actually not hilarious at all, but this is such a simple feature in a car, like the little sunglasses thing, but I love it. I'm home, I beat Liz. Liz, I love you, but I beat you. I'm very all over the place, but I was thinking about this on the ride home. I was like, you know what? This video, I'm gonna title it, How I Navigate Life When It Decides to Throw a Wrench into It. And I just dropped my phone because This has quite honestly been the most chaotic day I've had in a minute. I'm not gonna lie. Get to see my puppy. Hello. We are hungry, but before we eat, we got to calculate macros. So I still have to eat, oh my gosh, I only had 854 calories today. And technically I didn't have all that because I didn't even finish my coffee, which I'm gonna be finishing now. How much protein have I had? Not enough. Okay, so for lunch, I think we're gonna do 4 ounces of turkey. How much egg whites do I have? I was gonna go grocery shopping today. Did that happen? No, it did not. Got plenty of that. Salsa, probably. We got avocado and sweet potato that I can use. Is that gonna be our little concoction? I think so. We'll do egg whites, 4 servings. Okay, we're gonna start cooking this. Ah! Oh my gosh, y'all didn't even, you might have even, wow. Y'all might have seen that. I don't know, that was crazy. I cannot believe I did a workout that fast and however long. Okay, now, here's a little life hack for y'all. Eggs on the scale. Now, I want 4 servings, that's 186 grams. I didn't spray the pan actually, we're gonna do that first. We sprayed the pan. Now, this is zeroed out. This, with this on, is 0. We're gonna take some and pour it. I've gotten pretty decent at eyeballing because of prep. Okay, negative 117. We need to get to negative 186. 173, we're close. Boom, 187. Pretty dang close. We're gonna let that start cooking up. We're gonna use some Julios. Put y'all back a little bit more. We're gonna use some Julios. Seasoning. Thanks, Liz, for showing me this. 3.4. Working out. Okay, now we got the negative. We're all good. We Gucci. I have not had caffeine this late in well over a year. That might be stupid, but it's fine. Welcome home. Hi. I was like, I think I'm gonna title my YouTube video today, how I, like something along the lines of like how I navigate life when it decides a girl rush in it. I feel like that'd be kind of funny. Let it go in your head. You can sleep when you're dead. No. No. Man, there should be one more for you. I did indeed too yesterday, but I'm getting an IV tomorrow. Really? Oh. I'm gonna hook it up. Got ground turkey, sweet potato, egg whites. Gonna throw on some avocado. That sounds so good. And salsa. Like, it's the smallest amount of sweet potatoes too, but I'm just like, I just want to use up what I have. Like, the things you do to hit macros, am I right? Oh, that's nice. So now we're gonna go back for work. This is literally the jankiest concoction ever.
That looks so good. I'm pretty sure I made a bowl like that.
I've made a bowl like this before too, but this is the bowl that we are rocking with. I am going to put some salt on it. We'll do a little taste test for y'all. Fun little fact about me, I hate using regular size utensils. Let me get you. Okay, ready? Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna down this bowl and then I have to knock out client check-ins. Okay, we are done eating. It is now, timestamp, hold on, 7:23. I'm gonna be running to my roommate's work, which she is a nanny, I'm a nanny as well. We're running over to her work and I'm gonna be doing my work there because I also wanted to show her my new car. We're gonna pack up the bag, head on over. Today has just kind of been like a chaotic day, but overall it has been a very good day. And although finances are very like scary with this new purchase, because obviously like my insurance is probably gonna be going up, all of the things, like this is not a cheap thing, right? And I just made a huge move. I'm giving it all to God and I'm putting my faith and trust into him. I've been thinking about making this purchase for a very long time, and now I can drive and not be scared. I can drive my nanny girls without being scared for them as well, because my car has left me stranded on the side of the road twice before this. I got my tires, like brand new tires, put on, and people said I was lucky that my tires didn't blow up. Like my Sonata has numerous recalls on it. Also now it's like a trend on TikTok that people are like showing others how to break into Sonatas and Kias. And just in my area alone, in one day, there was 10 reported cases of stolen Sonatas. And one of those like reported cases was actually my roommate's old roommate's boyfriend's car. So I was like, I'm not doing that. Absolutely not. But I'm trying to think of names for my car. This little bitch broken. I think I'm kind of like debating between Chloe the Camry or Cammy the Camry. I think Cammy's really cute. Or there's something with a T. So I don't know, we shall see. We're gonna run over to the roomies, knock out some work, come home, and yeah. Alrighty, I am here with Caitlin. Y'all have seen her before in a previous vlog, but I'm at her nanny house and I'm gonna do work here. She saw my car. We might do Cammy the Camry. That's like almost like a tongue twister. If you made it to this part of the video, comment down below your opinion on Morgan Wallen shaving his head. That's how I know if you watched this far into the video. Okay, so I am home now. Y'all already know my snacks are gonna be janky. So 10 o'clock at night and we're still right in the struggle bus. But we're gonna make a snack. I'm gonna be using PB Fit. I'm gonna get 16 grams of this. This is wonderful, 16. Okay. And then mix it with some water. You take a banana. Of a banana, like you spread her out. This was my like go-to snack years ago, except it was with real peanut butter, and you can definitely do it with real peanut butter. I just don't want to waste my real peanut butter on that. I don't have a lot left, and I need real peanut butter. Now, take some dark chocolate chips and just top her on, and then boom. You got a healthy little snack, and it is so yummy. And then I'm going to bed after I eat this because I'm so tired, but we got goals, so we're eating. We don't skip meals around here, although I didn't eat like at all today. We don't skip meals.